How to create header in WordPress Elementor. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a popular open source content management system that enables users to create, manage, and publish websites and blogs with ease. And from here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to your browser and kindly go to your WordPress.com and simply sign in your WordPress account in here. And as you can see, I already signed in my account in here, where you can start navigating on the left side panel. Some of the options after you sign in, we have here dashboard and also posts, media, pages, products, payments, analytics, marketing, and many more. But to start creating a header in WordPress Elementor, this is basically what our website looks like at the moment. And as you can see, I've already had here this kind of header section. But if you want to start creating a new one or header in WordPress Elementor, we could also do so by going or navigating on the left side panel and click the plugin section in here, where we can start installing a plugins to create a new one. By clicking this add new plugin on the right side panel of it, just simply search on the search bar right here, Elementor header. And upon clicking on it, it will show you all of the result of plugins that you could also install and activate in here to use in order to start creating a header in our website in here. And as you can see, there's a variety of options to choose from. But in those options, kindly proceed by clicking this ultimate add-ons for Elementor, which is by Brainstorm Force with over 2 million plus active installation. So kindly click the install button right here. And after that, just simply click the activate button to start activating it. And after activating it, you'll automatically be directed on this page, and it will show you the step-by-step process to get started. By clicking this button below, you can also start customizing the UAE setup if you want to. And after that, from here, you could also go to dashboard, in which it will show you the overview of it, including some of the features and widgets that they offer. But now to start creating a header for our website, just simply proceed by clicking this create header or footer button. Upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and simply enter here first the title of the header in here that will be applied in our website in here. So again, from this page, just simply enter the title of our header. For example, new header, design, and layout. And below, you can simply select the type of template. I'm going to select here the header. And you could also select here the display on, and even select the user roles in here below. And upon clicking the publish button on the right side panel, you'll not be able to see any changes on your website if you try to refresh it, since I still haven't choosing a design in here manually. And to start editing in Elementor, just simply click this edit with Elementor button on the top left corner on this page. By clicking this one, you will be directed on the page where you can start creating your new layout or design of your header that you prefer. It will show you in here on the left side panel the option. We can choose here the grid if you want to, or you could just simply click the plus button on the top panel in here, in which by doing so, you can simply select here the layout, and I'm going to choose this flex box. By clicking this flex box, it will show you again another option or structure, and I'm going to choose the tree one in here. By clicking this one, it will show you that you can start adding by clicking the plus button some other elements on the left side panel. You could also start searching for example image, since we're going to input here a logo. You can insert or upload a logo from your computer files, or even choose from the media files in here, or even use the search images. For example, I'm just going to select here a random images and upload it directly in here by clicking the insert button. So as you can see, all you need to do is wait for it to load until it will be automatically uploaded in here. You can also start resizing it by dragging or choosing the image resolution on the left side panel, choosing the caption and even link of it. And you could also start dragging it depending on the location that you prefer. So as you can see, it is now currently located on the top left of our header. You could also start customizing the width if you want to, and even the max width, the height, the opacity of it, the background color, and many more. But I'm just going to make it like this. But moving on, I'm going to add here on the center the navigation. So just click or search on the widget section, the navigation menu. By clicking on it, you can start adding or choosing here the kind of navigation that you prefer. And as you can see, by simply selecting here this navigation, you can simply drag it directly on the center of it. You can choose here what kind of menu by simply clicking this icon or button right here. And I'm going to choose the navigation. And we have here this home, services, about, and contact menu option on our menu in here. You could also start customizing the layout if you want to, such as to make it at the center by clicking this one. And after that, you can even add here a background of it and many more. Now to proceed, the next here is to simply add a style or layout, which is to make it horizontal, vertical, space between those pages or option and many more. But now to proceed, I'm going to add another widgets or elements, which is a button. And in this button, I'm going to add or click here this book now. So this is basically the button that will be located on the top right corner of our header section. So as you can see, I'm going to add here or customize by clicking on the left side panel. Please click here instead. I'm going to enter book now button. And again, you can also start customizing the font style, the type, the style of it, the color, and many more. But this is basically how you can start creating a header in WordPress, and to save the changes, just click the publish button on the top right. And upon doing so, if you start refreshing your website in here, it should be able to reflect the menu or the kind of header layout that we just customized. Or you can simply go back to this page, and below it will show you that you need to have an upgrade account on Elementor in order to start changing the header bit that we just customized in this Elementor for our WordPress website. And after that, from here, you can simply click the update button on the right side panel to update the changes. Then you should be able to see here the effect or the result of our header that we just created in Elementor. But again, that is just basically how to create header in WordPress Elementor.